Guys, welcome back to the channel. Clinton Egbuson here, filmmaker, photographer based in Nigeria. You know the drill. And today I'm excited because I want to share something that I discovered like during the week, and I wanted to share this video for a very long time, but due to some problems I was not able to. So thank God today we are able to do so. And basically it's a secret, so if you want to know about it, come immediately after this intro, then you'll find out. It's a secret, but you'll find out. See you guys there. Okay, so as I said before, I'm just going to be giving you a color grading fix to fix your grading, so that whatever you grade on Premiere Pro is not different from when you export your video from Premiere Pro. So it's quite simple. So let me just show you a clip. We have a video here, and this is how it was. This is the, so you can see there the before and you can see the after. Now when I color graded this video, it wasn't like this in the export, and it kept bugging me for a very long time. You can see how it looks. It's as if the contrast was taken out away from it, and I didn't really know why. So let's look at after I used the fix that I'm about to teach you. So we have something like this. So you can see how better this looks. It looks much better than this. You have your contrast, you have your colors popping out. Everything looks very easy and nice and sweet and crispy, just the way you want it. Mamma mia, perfecto. So if you really want to enjoy your color grading, I suggest that you sit down and stick to this video right now. I'm about to go into it right now, so let's jump right into it. To preferences, you come to edit, then preferences, then you go to general. Yes, so wait for that to load. Okay, so when you are in general, you will see something called enable display color management, requires GPU acceleration. So what this does is that basically the way the default setting of your Premiere Pro is for your color grading to match a television setting. So if you are going to export your video, it is going to export it like a television view or a television grade, if I may. So if all you just need to do is to click this button here and click OK, and you will notice that your exports become much cleaner. Okay, so to finalize, when you are on your export tab, for example, like this is the export tab, and you can easily go to your LUT and apply something called the QT gamma compensation. So if you want to know more about this LUT, I will drop a link in the description below, so you can click it and also download the LUT to apply it. I don't really have the LUT here, so if you have it, by the time when you've applied the LUT, then you can export your video, and your video will look beautiful just the way it is on your Premiere Pro. So it's that easy. Go to run down through it, just go to general, then preferences, then display color management, open, that's GPU acceleration, then you tick the bar. When you tick it, then you go to your export and apply a LUT called the QT gamma acceleration. So and you are good to go.